Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Vlsi Insights. Today I am kicking off this adventure with you, exploring about how we can create clock in Verilog style. And also in addition to that, we are going to learn how we have to observe the RTL waveform. And for that there are certain parameters which we will be using in the syntax, that is dollar display, usage of dollar display, and how we have to create the clock using always statement. So let us just roll back to the screen how we are going to create it. So I'm using this EDA Playground over here. This is a free tool available. I'm using LDEC tool, and the languages which I'm using, which is System Verilog. I have to check mark for System Verilog and Verilog over here. And let us just move on to how we have to write the Verilog code. So for that there are two different sections which we have, which we can able to see that this is the right part is for the module 1 and the left part is for the test bench part. We are focusing on the test bench part only, which is the left one. So what we have to do, we have to write the code for that. So that we'll going to follow the syntax, that is module tb and end module. This is the same syntax which we have learned. And to register the value in the test bench, we are using the reg, and then after that I have to create a clock for that, and the clock will be initializing using always block, which is clock is equals to not of clock I'm using here. And to trigger the clock I have to use an initial block. So I'll be setting up some certain conditions. Okay, I'll be triggering the clock with the clock 0, so my clock will be starting from the 0, so that it will be easily be able to give a toggle condition in that. And after that I have to stop the clock as well, right? Because the always condition, it will going to trigger the clock for the for forever condition. So we don't want that our code should have some error. So, and in order to be very precise, so we are using some conditions. Okay, so that conditions is like we are using some delay to make our clock to work till a particular point of time, and then we are using the dollar finish. This clock code is complete till here. And if we want to see the waveform, in the wave window, so we have to use the separate initial block. Over there we have to write a syntax which follows like this: dump file, and in the under the dump file we are going to set up the name with the extension .vcd. So I'm keeping my file name as dump.vcd. This is the extension. Then I'm going to dump the variable as well, so that is dumpvars, and that's. And over here I have to check mark this option which is available over here, which is ep waveform, open ep waveform after run. So let us just check whatever the syntax we have pulled over here, so it is correct or it is throwing some error. So it is not throwing some error. So like you can see this, the wave window has opened. So let me just zoom it for you. I hope this is available, that is quite visible now. Okay, so let us just precisely observe this thing. So this is the toggle condition. So I have taken a clock with a toggle condition, and the condition follows like this. Like the clock has started from 0, so it is fluctuating with the value, and 0 1 0 1 0 1. So this is the point which we have to observe in this like waveform. And the situation, this is all about the process how we are going to observe. So this is the negate, this is the posage point. So whenever the clock is rising from 0 to 1, so it is considered to be at the posage point, and whenever the clock is falling from the 1 to 0, so this is the negate point. I hope you all like this video, and the info content was very informative to you all. If you like the video, please do hit the like button. Also do share to your friends, and also do not forget to subscribe this channel. So this will keep me motivated to create more such videos.